Hey guys, Telebuzz brings to you an exclusive up-close and personal interview with Vivian DeSena, aka RK from Madhubala. See how Anubhav Shukla, the producer of the show, talks about Vivian. Check it out.
Sorry? I have never been a materialistic guy.
Why you don't want money for the films? No, of course यार, मतलब पैसा जो मतलब काम पैसे के लिए किया जाता है.
See, it's got into my blood and it's very difficult to take it out of my body. So RK will always remain closest to my heart because it's one of the bestest character, and I always thank him and the entire team of Madhubala and Colors, and obviously Mr. Saurabh Tiwari, that these guys thought that I would fit the bill, despite of people coming and telling them that Vivian DeSena is a wooden-faced actor and he would not suit the character, he would not be able to pull it off. But I think it's the faith, it's the positivity in them which made them believe that no, we should go ahead with him and give him a chance. And God was kind enough to us that He gave us a chance and we worked it out. देखते हैं फ्यूचर में क्या होता है. वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, उस तब की तब सोचेंगे. See, let me go on my vacation, let me relax first, let my mind get into a normal human being state, let the fatigue get out of my body, and then probably I can think.
But is it a trauma for you because you need your mind to be...
No. What happens when you do a daily soap, it gets into your body, and obviously the long working hours, and thanks to Bombay traffic, where you spend 2.5 to 3 hours every day only in your car, so that reduces the time frame of relaxing and resting. See, it's a collective effort by the story, by the execution, by the whole creative team working on it, by the whole channel team working on it. You decide a plot. That's why why only 2 people don't come and shoot the whole thing and telecast it. Why there's so many people to do different jobs and different aspects of the show. Yeah, they collectively come together and try to create something which is magical and which shows magic. Henceforth, we see the ratings if magic is created. So it's not a particular character which gets TRP. I would not believe in the fact saying that RK रहता है तो TRP रहती है. Sorry boss, it's not only RK. There are other characters, there are other people who are working day and night, putting in their blood and sweat, who are collectively working as hard as the actors. It's just that you're seeing actors because they're more exposed to the world through the medium of media. But other people who are not even known that okay, this A person works on a show, a B person works on a show. You don't know the editor is, he's not slept for 3 days because he was editing 2 episodes. You don't know that.
But RK's chemistry with Madhubala has been appreciated the most.
Yeah.
You are the soul of the...
So we don't want to lose the essence of the show. The DNA of the Madhubala remains as it is. So we're going to be presenting you the edgy love story and edgy drama around the whole show. So that's what really worked on the show. Fortunately it was Vivian and Drishti who played these characters and they became star.
अभी भी अगर ये बात आएगी तो mostly the fans RK Vivian is the hardly name in my.
चलो मैं विवियन के साथ एक नया शो लॉन्च करता हूँ, तुम मुझे TRP अंडर राइट करो बॉस. हाँ, नहीं हो सकता ना. मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि एक शो में बहुत कुछ लगता है बनाने के लिए. किरदार, कौन से किरदार उसके साथ हैं. अक्षय कुमार डज नॉट गारंटी सक्सेस ऑफ द बॉक्स ऑफिस ना. So it's everything collectively which works around the show or the film for that matter of fact. So we are making that effort. I'm sure that we as a makers believe in the product and have all the potential to bring it back where it was before. Done?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
If you want to see an exclusive interview of Vivian alone and also the part 1 of this, then hit the like button and leave your comments.
Hey guys, to see more of me and my show Madhubala Ek Ishq Ek Junoon, keep watching Telebuzz and subscribe to Telebuzz.